My name is Arisyi from the University of Birmingham, and my research topic is the dark side of liquidity regulation, bank opacity, and liquidity risk. During recent bank liquidity crisis, wholesale funding has evaporated in the face of often unsubstantiated insolvency rumors. In response, authorities forced banks to increase their liquidity buffers under the Liquidity Coverage Ratio or the LCR rule. However, a theoretical model developed by Radnowski in 2013 predicts that accumulating liquidity reserve provokes unintended consequences, including the deterioration of bank opacity and liquidity risk. Our research asks whether higher liquidity buffers mandated by the LCR regime erode transparency as suggested by the theory. If this relationship holds, liquidity buffers might increase opacity, leading to more liquidity risk. To isolate the effect of the LCR on banks' liquidity buffers, opacity, and liquidity risk, we use a difference in difference estimation strategy. We treat banks subject to the LCR rule as the treatment group and banks exempted from the rule as the control group, while the post-LCR announcement is considered as the treatment period. We also use synthetic control method and employ several robustness checks to confirm the validity of our results. We find that banks subject to the rule increase their high-quality liquid asset holdings by 5.2 percentage points. Bank opacity also increases by 3.6 basis points, while liquidity risk increases by $253 million per quarter. Further investigation suggests that the increase in opacity and liquidity risk is more pronounced among banks that are subject to more stringent liquidity regulation and within banks closer to insolvency. Our findings provide novel insights into the unintended consequences of liquidity regulation and are consistent with theoretical models' predictions of a trade-off between liquidity buffers and bank opacity that influences liquidity risk.